What the hell? What the actual hell has happened to my hair? I look like an 80s perm gone wrong. Like, oh no, honey.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now,
Oh my god!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. And today's video is another affordable gift holiday. Today's video is another affordable holiday gift set. This one I got from Walmart. It's the Hard Candy All About That Rose gift set. So you get an eyeshadow palette, an eyeshadow primer, a highlight, 2 different lippies, and this really cute cosmetics bag. I think it was like a $25 value for $9.88, so that was good. I got this off Walmart.com. I got another thing off Walmart.com, but that's for a different video. So let's go ahead. So this is everything out of the package. So this is the eyeshadow palette, sorry for the ring light glare, that we're going to be using. Comes with the double-sided sponge tips and these gorgeous colors. I actually really like this. This is the Rose Gold Eyes eyeshadow palette. I'm thinking of doing something a little different with my eyes because I don't want it to be the same boring, so I want to make this colorful and unique. Please ignore my hair. I don't know what happened. This is what happens when I shower and I put a bun in. I don't get it. So I have all my makeup on except for the eyes, the highlighter, and the lippy because I wanted to use everything that came in the set, obviously. So this is a really cute, it says Rosé All Day, rose gold little cosmetics pouch, and it says Hard Candy on the zipper. It's like a normal set. Oh. There's a coupon for $1 off any Hard Candy product. I will keep that in there. So it's an okay size. This is a size I'd say you'd bring in like your everyday purse or bag, whatever you carry. So it's nice feeling and I love the color scheme. So yeah, that's cute. We're gonna start off priming the eyes with the Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. It's called Eyes the Limit eyeshadow primer. I like that play on words. So let's put a little bit on the finger. And yes, I'm going to be using my handheld because doing the way I did it last time was way too hard on my back and it didn't really do much of a difference anyway. I'm still waiting for that mirror to come in. So I got all the other items except I got all my clothing items, and the 2 accessory items that I purchased were shipped out differently from Rose Gal. So I am waiting on the second shipment. I was gonna do a Rose Gal haul, but I can't now because I don't have the other 2 items. And I can't do a haul just on 3 tops. But I will show you what I got in, I think I'm gonna do that in a vlog. So probably my first Vlogmas video, Hi, what? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here on a blending brush, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Feels very soft. So that's what we got for the transition. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go in with this really pretty like mauve-y pink, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as well. So. Ooh, yes. That's what I'm looking for. Yes. Kitty. Now I'm going to take it just a little bit above my crease, up here just a little bit, and smoke it out that way because I want to see as much of this color as possible peeking through. So, trying to show you guys the best way I can. So just, you know, Christmas is coming. Give me a little bit to accumulate some money to get me some new equipment. Which reminds me, Betsy Johnson pieces still available, and it's not too late to get Christmas gifts or Hanukkah gifts or Yule gifts, Kwanzaa gifts, whatever holiday you celebrate, gifts. So I'll leave that video up in the cards of everything we still have. So yeah, get your hands on that. You'll be supporting the channel and supporting the Blaizes, me and Mama Blaize. I'm gonna take my LA Colors Jumbo Pencil in Seashells and I'm gonna place that all over the lid because we're gonna work with some shimmer and I want it to work till its max potential. So I love putting this down for shimmery and bright shadows. I think I'm gonna go with this like olive shimmer right there on a shader brush. I'm just gonna wet it just a little bit to get some max pigment. So far there's no fallout, there's no kickback, nothing. I'm loving these shadows so far. These shadows are definitely gorgeous. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a pretty green color. And I'm gonna stop it at my crease, like so. Ooh, that's pretty. This looks very festive. I didn't even mean for it to. And it looks very festive. I'm gonna take some of it on my finger and pack it on that way. I always do this with all shimmer shadows. It doesn't matter what palette it is, what brand it is. I do this with all shimmer shadows. I first apply with a wet brush and then just my finger because that's how you get maximum pigmentation. So this is what we look like so far. I actually really like it. This is something definitely different than what I'm used to. I'm gonna do my waterline and my liquid liner and I will be right back. And back. I think to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this color right here and this color. I'm gonna do this more towards the inner and then the middle and then stop and do the darker one. So let's get the right brushes for those. So we're gonna do this one first. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I'm just trying to use as many colors as I can in this palette. That's a pretty color, you see that? It's definitely more orangey than it is. It looks more burgundy, but on the eyes, it's definitely more orangey, and I'm not mad at that. It's a beautiful color. Whew, I like that. Now I'm taking the matte black in this palette and I'm gonna smoke out the rest of my lower lash line with that. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh, I love that. I love that. I don't know if it necessarily matches with what we did on top, but I love it anyway. Now I'm gonna go in with a mixture of this shade and this shade right here, these two shades, to highlight the brow bone. They're nice and light and shimmery. So far, I've had no problems with these shadows. They blend out nicely, no fallout. They're very pigmented. I really, really enjoy this palette, and it's not just like a good gift set palette, you know, like this is a good palette that I'm going to for sure use several times. Out of all the ones that we've tried from the affordable gift sets, the eyeshadows, this one so far is my absolute favorite. The shadow palette gets by Wicked Little Devils. I don't know about everything else, so we're not jumping ahead, but look at this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Like, okay, hard candy. I have a few hard candy products, not a ton, but this is making me want to pick up some more. So we got our choice of two lippies here. One is a metallic matte, the other one is a lip gloss. I think we're gonna go with the metallic matte. It does not have a name. No, it doesn't have a name on it, but it looks very pretty. So let's go ahead. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, it's been like literally 10 seconds and my lips are almost completely dry. This really does dry down 100%, I can tell you. The last thing we gotta do is highlight. Right here, this is their rose gold highlighter. So it's got like, it reminds me of Neapolitan ice cream. It's got like the lightest, the strawberry, and the chocolate. The lightest, the vanilla, the strawberry, and the chocolate. So where's my highlighting brush? Here it is. So I'm going to do a mix of all three like I do when I eat Neapolitan ice cream. Whew. And let's apply some highlight. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's very subtle. Let me put my hair back so you can see what I'm doing. That's a nice subtle highlight. If you don't want something blinding, but you just want a little something, this is alright. Not bad. Yes, I'm still broken out because I'm hormonal, so sorry about that. I actually really like that because I have textured skin, unfortunately, so even though I would love a blinding highlight, it makes the texture stand out more when you have blinding highlights. So just do it a little bit on the tip of my nose. And is that it? Did we use everything? Oh, I gotta put mascara on and then we'll be right back. So this is the completed look. Overall, I love it, especially the eye look. The eyeshadow palette gets 5 Wicked Little Devils. I absolutely love this palette and will be reaching for it again. Super pigmented, blend really nicely, no fallout, no kickback, nothing like that. So I'm very, very happy with that purchase. The highlighter is pretty good. It's okay, you know, it's good for what it is. I'm not mad at it, and we'll probably definitely reach for this again since, like I said, I can only really do subtle highlights. So if you like subtle highlight, I would pick that up. The lippy, it dries down 100%, nothing, and it's a pretty color, but it is kind of uncomfortable and a little over drying. And when I opened it, I don't know if you'll be able to see, like, you know the stopper that goes in here that will take off some of the product so you're not like having it all at once? It broke off and is like up here in the cap. So there's nothing stopping it. So it's just like a mess. So that's a little disappointing. I haven't tried the lip gloss, so I don't know. The eyeshadow primer seems to be doing pretty well. I'd have to give it more time, so I will put a final rating on that in this video while I'm editing, because I will have this makeup on for a while. Yeah, overall, I really, really, really enjoyed this set. I think it is definitely worth $10. And I would give it 5 Wicked Little Devils. I really, really enjoyed that. And you get this really cute cosmetics bag, which is so, so cute. So I absolutely love this, but I am going to be taking the lippy off as soon as I'm done with this and putting another one on because I have more videos to film. But I overall really like this and would definitely recommend picking this up. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so, so, so much for watching. And if you like these kinds of videos, give me a big ol' thumbs up to let me know to keep doing this series. I know you guys are enjoying this series and I'm enjoying doing it and I don't want it to end. Don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. And remember, I have not 1, not 2, but 3 massive giveaways going on this month, so I will link them up above and in my description box as always. Here are all my social medias. Please go ahead and feel free to follow me on all my social medias and be social with me on medias. I will talk to you guys very, very soon, and until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.